In this demo, you will learn how to generate address labels from a data file. As usual, all contact data shown in the demo are computer-generated dummy data. When preparing your data file, add one row per contact. We recommend using the PrintMatrix import tags as the column headers. Please export data in CSV format. For text encoding, choose Unicode UTF-8. Next, let's launch PrintMatrix to start generating labels. We are going to use a 30 per letter sheet address label. PrintMatrix supports hundreds of different label sizes and shapes. Go to Toolbar and select Import Data. You have the option to define a custom import template or go straight to selecting a file. Let's click on Select CSV File. Review the column headers and the corresponding import tags. Click on each drop-down list to match the column with the appropriate tag. Our import file contains 99 rows, 1 row per contact. This generated 99 labels, a total of 4 pages. As a reminder, all contact data shown in the demo are computer-generated dummy data. You can now review and print the generated labels. For the next part of the demo, we will clear all labels and re-import our data file. This time, using a custom import template for additional formatting. Go to Toolbar and choose Import Data. Choose Add Import Template. The template will be added into the first label. Auto-generated labels from imported data will follow the import template layout. Once we are done formatting the import template, go to Import Data and select the import file. All generated labels follow the same formatting as our template, center-aligned with bolded and larger name fonts. Thanks for watching. Please check out other videos in this playlist for more label creation tutorials.